Hey y'all, it's your girl Marie, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I will be telling you how many views you need to get the $1,200 bonus. I'm only speaking on the $1,200 bonus because that's what I have been granted, the $1,200 bonus. So let's talk about that. Hold on, wait a minute. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. If you like what you hear and you see, please stay aboard with your girl. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what is up, y'all? Okay, now we can go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so about 2 or 3 days ago, I did a video on Facebook Reels and how much we get paid. And I was asking a question because I was only at like, I think $5.20 with 13,000 views. No, that wasn't that. That was the first time. Okay, anyway, I can't remember how much exactly I showed the last time, but here's the picture I put last time. So I asked the question. I was like, somebody please break the math down for you, girl, because I cannot get, I don't know. Okay, it just went clicking, Linda, it wasn't clicking. So I asked y'all if y'all knew how to break the math down real quick. Can you put it down in the comments? And someone said, okay, you get about 40 cents per 1,000 views. Boom, crush your girl a little bit, because before she told me that, your girl was feeling like her views was moving up and her money was rolling. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get that $1,200 bonus, baby. It's close. But when she told me it's 40 cents per 1,000, girl, I was like, huh? So you mean to tell me 1,000 views and I get 40 cents? I'm like, Lord. So then I'm like, wait a minute, hold on. So I kept reading a little bit more, and it said, you need 3 million views. I almost fell out my bed. 3 million views. Your girl need 3 million views to get the $1,200 Facebook Reels bonus. Oh my God. The pain. After I read that, I'm sitting up here staring at my Facebook Reels. I'm sitting up here staring. I'm like, what am I going to do? Okay, I need 3 million views, and I'm only at XYZ. I was a little discouraged. I'm gonna be honest with you. I said, I'm not doing this no more. I'm not doing this. What? 3 million? Baby, I can't even get close to that on my Facebook page. I'm gonna do that with some Reels. Okay? Well, only 4.5K subscribers. 4.K followers on Facebook. How am I gonna get 3 million? So I told my boyfriend, I said, you know what? I don't even want to do this no more. This, I can't do this. 3 million by July 9th. So let me back up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going through my emails a couple weeks ago. I see I've been invited since May. I've been got the invite since May. But I didn't see it until June. So I only have 3 weeks to make some shake. So that's why I really was like, I ain't doing this no more. Now, if I would have got it in May and been working up until July, then a girl would have felt good. But I'm like, 3 million views? And some of y'all may say, God, that ain't nothing. That's something to me. Because I'm juggling Facebook. I'm juggling Instagram. I'm juggling TikTok. I'm juggling YouTube. So I got to split myself between all those and take care of my kids, take care of my family. So I'm just like, how? How am I going to be able to do that? Fast forward, I woke up about 2 days later, your girl had 55,000 views. I was like, hold up, wait a minute. Your girl done got 55K. And I'm like, hold on. I only have 4.5K followers, but your girl got 55K views. Baby, boom. Huh? Then a little bit later, your girl gets 16K. Boom. Hey, I'm like, okay, we getting somewhere. I don't know how we getting there, but we getting there. So I say that to say this. It's very possible, but baby, when I read your comment, girl, you almost threw me on the floor. I promise. So I started trying to go back and see what time I posted those 2 videos, what hashtags I used, and y'all, there's no simple answer for it. The times was different. The hashtags was different. I'm like, Facebook cutting out. I'm thinking maybe it's because I made a video saying help me out on what I'm supposed to be doing. Because yeah, I posted a reel on Facebook asking how many views do your girl need to get the $1,200 bonus. Facebook must have seen it. So Facebook caught up with me. Give a little, get a little. I don't know, but yeah. But I'm going to tell you this though. Tags are important. You can use Facebook Reels, viral, or whatever your video is about. Make sure you put those hashtags. If it's makeup, hashtag the makeup. If it's fitness, hashtag fitness. If it's braiding, hashtag braids, locks, whatever. Make sure you put those in there. They do help because my videos did have their own tags that went along to what the video was about. So I can say tags is good. Okay. So if you like me and your bonus is $1,200, you need 3 million views to get your $1,200 bag. But I'm going to tell you this. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. Even though I may not make the $1,200 bonus by July 9th, I'm going to get something. I'm going to get something. But I will say this. You have to at least have made $100 to get the money. If it's under $100, you will not receive the money until you have met the $100 threshold. And I'm meeting that $100 threshold. I'm going over that $100 threshold. I'm gonna get something. Sure is. I'm getting something because I'm not about to do all these views and don't get nothing. Your girl getting something. And you are too, so keep on going. So keep on posting those reels. Keep on putting your hashtags in there and just post. You can make up to 150 reels within your bonus period. So run it up. I'm at like 40 reels. So your girl got a lot more reels to go. So it's a very huge possibility that I will get the $1,200. If not, I'm going to get something. I'm going to get it. I'm claiming it. I'm getting it. You getting it. So we're going to continue to post reels. Continue to post reels that will make you money. And what I mean by that is no TikTok watermarks, no Instagram, whatever type of watermark you have on a video. Get that baby off there. Get it off, because at the end of the bonus, they're going to do an audit and then they're going to start bobbing and weaving out your videos, and your views are going to decline, and so is your money. So it's very, 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 very important that you have the watermark off, because you may see your money up high, you may see your views up high, but at the end of the bonus, you may get audited. I'm not sure if you will or you might get audited, but if they audit it and the watermark's on there and then you have all this copywriting stuff on there, they're going to take those views away from you. And you work too hard, and we work too hard, and we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So make sure you know what you're doing. Get it done the right way so that your money is yours, so you won't be looking sad and mad at the end of the month when it's time to get the payout and you know you done made this, but then Facebook saying make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you get those watermarks off. So I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you have gotten this far and you have not liked this video, go ahead and put a like on my video, please, and thank you. It's greatly appreciated. And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. If you like what you hear, if you like what you see, then subscribe, because it's a good time. It's always a good time over here. I promise you that. I'm the same all the time. You're not gonna get any fakeness out of me. I'm just me. I'm just gonna keep it real. I'm gonna be me at this level and when I go up. I promise you that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sim Marie is out.